Welcome to IELTS Symphony. Today we will learn how to respond correctly in the IELTS speaking section. Most of us are aware of the test structure. The IELTS speaking test consists of 3 parts. Part 1. Introduction and interview. Part 2. Long turn, cue card. Part 3. Discussion. Today, we will focus on Part 1. We will learn how to correctly respond to the questions, considering the possible length of the response, content, context, grammar, and vocabulary. Let's dive into an example. Examiner, can you tell me about your hometown?
Certainly. I'm from Varanasi, a city known for its rich cultural heritage and religious significance.
While this response provides a brief overview of Varanasi, it is not adequate for getting a high score in the IELTS speaking test. Here's why. Firstly, lack of elaboration. The response is too brief and lacks depth. It only mentions one aspect of Varanasi, its cultural heritage and religious significance, without providing any specific details or examples. Limited vocabulary. The vocabulary used in the response is basic and lacks variety. Since it was a short response, the examiner had no opportunity to listen and judge on the performance. To demonstrate a higher level of English proficiency, candidates should elaborate the answer the way they may use a wider range of vocabulary, including descriptive adjectives and expressions. Grammar and complexity. Again, in this short reply, we should say, the response is grammatically correct but lacks complexity. Coherence and cohesion. While the response is coherent and cohesive, it could be improved by organizing the information more effectively and providing a clearer structure. In this short reply, the examiner had no opportunity to judge the candidate's ability in this coherence and cohesion section. Overall, while this response addresses the question, it does not fully demonstrate the candidate's language proficiency or ability to communicate effectively. Okay, now, listen to this particular response on the same question.
Certainly. I'm from Varanasi, a city known for its rich cultural heritage and religious significance. Varanasi has a long history dating back thousands of years. For example, the city is famous for its ghats along the Ganges River where people perform religious rituals. Additionally, Varanasi boasts vibrant street life, bustling markets, and delicious street food.
Examiner's feedback. Here, in this case, the response provides detailed information about Varanasi, covering various aspects such as history, religious significance, and cultural activities. For instance, mentioning the ghats along the Ganges River and describing them as places for religious rituals adds depth to the response. Vocabulary. A diverse range of vocabulary is used, showcasing a strong command of language. Words like boasts and vibrant add richness to the description. Grammar and complexity. The response features grammatically correct sentences and incorporates complex structures, such as compound sentences and descriptive phrases. For example, the use of the phrase, a unique blend of tradition and modernity, demonstrates sophistication in language use. Coherence and cohesion. The information is well organized, with each aspect of Varanasi discussed logically. Transition words like, additionally, help to connect ideas smoothly and create a coherent narrative. Overall, this response effectively showcases the candidate's language proficiency and ability to communicate detailed information clearly and concisely, with specific examples enhancing the depth and clarity of the response. If you want more IELTS speaking related videos, then subscribe to the channel. Happy learning!